Patterns live in the nervous system as loops. Thought, emotion, body response, repeat. They feel immovable because they are encoded in the subconscious as survival maps. But survival maps are not written in stone, but in sand. With the right conditions, they can be rewritten. Let's move into an experiential process now. I invite you to take a slow breath and allow your awareness to settle deeper into your body. You may close your eyes if it feels safe. Notice a pattern that frustrates you, a loop you've tried to change logically but keeps repeating. Perhaps it is the self-sabotage when opportunity arises, the anxiety before speaking, or the inner voice that says, "You are not ready." Allow just one pattern to come into focus. As you hold it in awareness, shift attention away from the story and into the felt sense in the body. Where do you notice it lives? Maybe a tightness in the chest, a knot in the stomach, a lump in the throat. Simply allow it to be there without resistance. Now, imagine that sensation as a messenger, a small child, an animal, or a symbol. Whatever your subconscious offers you first. See it, sense it, or simply know it is there. Instead of fighting it, turn toward it with curiosity and ask, "What are you trying to do for me? What are you protecting me from?" Pause and listen. You might hear words, see images, or feel emotions rising. Trust whatever arrives. Now is the time to change it. Bring into your awareness a contradictory experience, a moment in your life when you felt safe, empowered, or capable in a way that directly challenges this pattern. Hold both memory together, the limiting loop and the expansive state. When the subconscious feels the mismatch, the old encoding begins to dissolve. Breathe. Breathe as if the two states are merging, forming a new neural connection. The body softens, the nervous system recalibrates. What was once a rigid command becomes flexible, pliable, rewritable. This is quantum work, collapsing one possibility so another can be born. Anchor it now. Place one hand over your heart, the other over your solar plexus, and breathe deeply in the new state, the one of safety, power, and capability. And imagine it and allow it to imprint into your cells, into your field, and whisper gently, I choose this as my new reality. Notice how the body feels different. Notice how the old story seems less heavy, less true. The collapse has begun. The subconscious has opened. And every time you revisit this process, the new encoding strengthens until the old loop is nothing more than a faint whisper of who you once were.